Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove subtitle in Netflix. So if you want to remove subtitle in your Netflix, here is a quick guide on how to do that. So first thing is, start by opening the Netflix app or website and sign in into your account. So once you do that, choose the movie or TV show you want to watch. Once you pick or choose a movie you want to watch, so now on the mobile device, if you are using a mobile device, this is for you. So on the mobile device, tap on the screen to bring up the playback control, then tap on the audio and subtitle icon. So if it is on smart TV or you are using a streaming device or a gaming console, use your remote to press the up and down arrow to bring up the playback control, then select the audio and subtitle icon. If it is on computer, move your mouse to bring up the playback control, then click the audio and subtitle icon, then turn off the subtitle option from the list of subtitles you have. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.